Mastering English. The magic of who in relative clauses. Hello, learners. We hope you're all set to journey deeper into the fascinating world of English grammar. Today, we are exploring a very interesting topic: relative clauses. In particular, we are going to focus on defining relative clauses using who for people. Are you ready to expand your English language skills? Great, let's get started. Relative clauses are a type of subordinate clause that allows us to provide additional information about something or someone without starting a new sentence. They're like the seasoning in a dish, adding flavor to our sentences. Relative clauses can be either defining, restrictive, or non-defining, non-restrictive. Our focus today is on defining relative clauses. These are the ones that give essential information to define or identify the person or thing we are talking about. The word who is a relative pronoun that we use in relative clauses to refer to people. Its usage is very straightforward. But, depending on its position in a sentence, who can serve as either a subject or an object. For today's lesson, we are focusing on using who as the subject of a relative clause. When who is used as the subject of the relative clause, it's the doer of the action. Here's an example. The woman who lives next door is a doctor. In this sentence, the defining relative clause is who lives next door. Who is the subject of this clause and lives is the verb. Together, they provide essential information about the woman. Remember, when who is the subject of the relative clause, we cannot omit it. Here are a few more examples to illustrate this. I know the student who won the scholarship. She's the author who wrote that best-selling novel. Do you know the person who called this morning? In each of these sentences, who is the subject of the relative clause and is integral to the sentence's meaning. Well done on making it to the end of this lesson. We've journeyed through the usage of who in defining relative clauses, focusing on its role as the subject. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing these structures in your writing and speaking. Stay tuned for our next lesson where we'll explore the use of who in object position. Until then, keep learning and keep growing. Your English language mastery is just around the corner.